Good morning. We're gonna make some campfire donuts. This is what you need.
Hurry up, Ethan. I'm starving.
All right, so what you're gonna need to start your fire is charcoal, your charcoal chimney, and some fire starter. You can also do this on your oven at home, but we like using charcoal because we're outside and camp. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your charcoal, you're gonna pour it in the top. Gonna fill it up to the top. So once your chimney is full of charcoal, you're going to take some fire starter and you're going to put it underneath in the bottom. It's kind of a lot. There we go. Yeah, let's break that up actually. So some on either side. You can also use like newspaper. Again, you can use dryer lint like we did with the fire. Anything that were really light that you can reach. There we go. And now it's time to light it. So you reach in there, light your fire starter. Like so.
While you wait.
All right, so once your charcoal is all ready to go, it should be gray on the top. We still maybe have a few more minutes here, but it should be gray all the way up to the top. And when you put your hand over like this, it should be warm and almost too warm to keep your hand there. But once they're burned all the way through, you're going to take your coals and you're going to dump them out around here. We have a Dutch oven stand, so that way we can actually put the Dutch oven in the fire. After that, you're going to put your Dutch oven on top. Spread the coals out evenly so it evenly heats the whole oven. All right, so once you have your Dutch oven on the coals, you're going to want to fill it about halfway up with oil. When your oil, you want it to heat up to about 363 to 375 degrees. That's the right temperature to get the proper amount of fry. If the oil is too cold, your donuts will just become really greasy. Gross. But if it's too hot, it'll burn the outside and keep the inside really doughy, and that's no fun. So you want it to be about 360 to 375 degrees for that perfect donut. Next, you need to open your dough.
Because it was hot?
Well, I was just peeling it back. I've never had one pop that early.
Probably because it was sitting in the sun.
Oh, that's true. Well, open your dough. It was supposed to be on camera, but it popped too early. Oh. There we go. Got it.
Ethan, are they ready yet?
Keep asking, you're going last, Eli.
Aww.
All right, close enough. We're about 355 right now, so by the time we get dough in there, it'll be great and good to go. So we can take a little test piece of dough, so just pinch a little bit off, or take the whole thing. And drop it in your, oh, that splashed. Drop it. Don't let the oil splash. Be better than me.
Ooh, listen to that sizzle.
It's frying up real nice. We're gonna be better this time with this piece of dough. Stuck to my fingers. And nice and easy. Oh hey, it flipped over by itself. So you're gonna take your tongs You're gonna flip them over. That way they get nice and crispy on both. Wow, those are really nice. So they get nice and crispy on both sides. There we go. Yes. So you're gonna take them out once they're nice and crispy, let them drain a little bit to get the last drops of oil off. And then you're gonna take it over here to your cinnamon sugar and drop them in.
Roll it around.
And roll it around.
There you go.
You can also do this with a bag, where you fill a bag with cinnamon sugar and then drop the donuts in the bag and then just kind of shake it up real good. That also achieves the same results. You can also make traditional donuts with holes in the middle. While you're waiting on your coals to heat up, your oil to heat up, or your donuts to cook, you can entertain yourself.
Want to social distance without touching anything? You can pretend hacky sack. Throw a frisbee. And you can even juggle. Concentration. Oh God. God. Oh, I came back.
For a complete breakfast, you all have bacon and coffee. And that's how you make a campfire donut. Very hot.